What's up, vapors and vapettes? And thank you for tuning in to a long, long overdue episode of Vaping with Doe. Today we have the Raging Cajun,
Howdy, y'all.
and we're talking about some action fluid, very magical. See if we can get a little bit focused there on that. Oh, there we go. Picked a 60 milliliter bottle up for around $20. Let's give it a whirl. Yeah. It still tastes like fucking ass. As you can see through the side there a little bit, let me set my mod down. I have went through a little bit of it. Tastes like cough syrup. Straight up cough syrup. It's nasty. The nasty kind that you get like when you had a cold that the pharmacy mixed up. Honestly, action fluid. The fuck happened here? Did you fuck up and bottle, like, when you have a cold and bottle your cough syrup? Or whatever. But if you didn't, how in the hell did you bottle this shit and sell it? Like, what the fuck were you thinking? Oh, well, I got a cold, but, I want to taste that nasty shit. No, I mean, seriously. Like, what possessed you to actually sell something like this? Did you not try your juice before you got it? Or let's just mix it all up? Maybe it doesn't taste like ass and it tastes really good, and it's a bad batch. Feel free to get in touch with me. Leave a comment, whatever. I know that you're going to see it. But, you know, or maybe I'll swing over by your shop over there over off Military Road, up here where you're at. I know, I got you. I know where you're at. But anyway, if you get pissed off about it, whatever. I don't care. I paid for it. I can say what I want. But anyway, guys, seriously, that's beside the point. Sorry. It's just disgusting. I don't know what else to say. I'm usually not at a loss of words. This is definitely worse than $2 hooker pussy juice. You know, I mean, I had some stuff before I made that comment about it. It was nasty, but you still hit it. No, this shit, no, it was difficult. Like I said, there's about that much gone. I did vape it just because, like I said, I bought it and I had wanted to give it a shot. I was recommended to pick it up. Oh, it was pretty good. I think the guy that told me about it, he was a fucktard. So if you're watching this too, you're a fucktard. I just don't even know what to say. I mean, you know, maybe it was a bad batch, but, you know, it's just garbage. I'm completely at a loss on it. So I guess this is going to be the ones where it's toss. With that being said, yeah, definitely going to have to get some new cotton, pull that all out. It's definitely disgusting. However, we've been gone for a little bit. Well, I've been gone for a little bit. Everything. We are going to be a few new videos coming up here soon. We're going to be checking out a package by Broke Dick, the sampler pack. It's supposed to have strawberries and cream. What else?
Banana and cream. Berries. I can't remember. Berries something.
Berries. Oh no. I don't want no more berry shit after Berry Magical. Yeah. It was magically sick delicious. Yeah, definitely not. But that's gonna be coming up soon. You know, I will leave a link down here in the description if you want to check out Berry Magical from Action Fluid. You know, I wouldn't though. However, maybe if you do, maybe like you're one of them ones that finally got off that 12-step program, from the 13th step drinking the NyQuil. That's the 13th step. Don't tell nobody. Shh. And you still need to get your sick fix, Or if you're hypochondriac, there you go. I got a cold. Okay. But seriously, it tasted like total shit. It tastes like cough syrup, NyQuil mix, whatever. I've had bad juice before, like I said, even from, I think it was Native Wicks. I really wasn't that fond of it, but it wasn't bad. Action Fluid, seriously, you should be ashamed of yourself for putting something out on the shelves like that. You should have at least tasted it. This just could be my opinion, but it's my opinion, his opinion, and I don't know how many other people, but, like I said, it tastes like cough syrup, and obviously you don't know what the fuck you're doing if you're putting this out. That's a real shame. But like I said, it could be a bad batch. By all means, if it's a bad batch, call me. We'll talk. I'll retract the statement, but it sucks. Definitely worse than $2 hooker pussy. I'm not going to hit that shit. I ain't going to hit it with me. I ain't even going to let him hit it. No. And he's sick. He'll vape anything. But,
that's true, I will.
He'd probably vape donkey nut. So, and there probably is some juice out there that tastes like donkey nut, but that's beside the point. So, anyway, click the like button, hit the subscribe, any of that other bullshit. Like I said, we do have some other reviews coming up. You'll see a lot more of me, unfortunately, and everything. And keep an eye out. Walmart sells ejuice. Yes, Walmart sells ejuice. So we're going to go pick one of them up, and I'm going to vape it and try it in my TP fort that I'm going to build in Walmart. So a little bit of off video for that video. There's going to be a little bit of pre-building action going on. Make sure I don't get caught, pick up a pizza, go in there I'm going to probably pick up the frozen couch, put it in the back, get a nice little shag rug down in there, and pick up some of the 30 mil bottles from Walmart. We'll go in there and back in the toilet paper aisle, climb in the fort, and vape it. So keep an eye out. That ought to be interesting. So with that being said, remember, keep it cloudy, and always choose chicks with wicks.
I would hit mine, but it's gross.
Yeah, I had the other one extra sitting there, so it's fine. Action Fluid, bad.